just being here, it brings out that drive to want to get involved in other things. You're not constrained to just do one thing, and I really, really like that. My name is Christian Sarmiento. I am a senior data science and analytics student with minors in computer science and math. Working with AI and data science as a whole, I just feel like I can actually do something that means something. AI right now is just such a black box of information. Like, you ask it questions and you get responses that look really good, but you don't know where it came from. I think it's really important to know, why did it give you that response? I'm part of the Marist IBM joint study. Essentially, we're just a group of students who do a bunch of research projects, and we are supported by Marist and IBM. It's such a valuable experience. You get to work on really hands-on stuff. You are writing good quality code. You're being reviewed by professors and industry people who know what they're talking about, working in as close to a real-world setting as you possibly can. I'm also part of the percussion ensemble. Every week we meet up and we play some cool percussion pieces, and later on in the semester at the end, we get to perform them.
We're just playing the rhythms.
What I get out of music is mindfulness, for sure. I like the problem solving that comes with data science, but doing that for days on end, months on end, it takes a toll. To keep myself sane, I throw myself into music. It allows me to quiet my brain for the time that I'm there to just enjoy music. I've done an attachment course each spring semester that I've been here. I went to Ireland both times. You stay on campus, you take some courses, but you also go to another country and kind of tie it all together. The classes are very hands-on learning, that's something that you would expect out of an English class. It was really cool. When I got to Marist, you're not pigeonholed to just do computer science or just do math or just do data science. If you really want to get value out of your education here, it actually works out better for you to branch out and do a lot of different things. That's the whole point of life, is to explore, so Marist is good for that, for sure.